Most people think that building a website for their music school is going to be complicated and it's going to be expensive as well. Today, I'm going to be showing you that's definitely not the case. You can build a simple and affordable website for your music school on the Marty Sites platform. Now, if you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. We've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's go ahead and search for our markets. A music school. Awesome. Let's go ahead and select that option. Great. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our music school so it can generate a simple website for us. Let's pop in our business name and a city and a state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Marty Sites will work its magic and create a website for you with the information you've just popped in and automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close it off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you. This is just a guideline, of course, and we've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free for you to use as well if you would like to. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe you want to make one or two amendments to this content, give a little background of your music school. You can absolutely do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding. Be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first section at the top. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address, and I want to make sure that that's visible for my customers to see, or my students. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Phone number is click to call. Physical location: when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your Marty Sites website. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. You can click on that little pencil to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize it to make your logo bigger and smaller to fit into that section at the top. If you'd like to change the colors used throughout your website, click on that little paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palette options available for you to use. There are so many to choose from. Now, for each section, you want to make a bit more personalized to your music school. Click on Update section underneath it. Underneath Update Images, where you can browse your device to upload your own images or search through that photo library. There are hundreds of free high-quality images to choose from, as you can see. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account if you have a profile and automatically pull in those photos. Underneath Update Action, we have those call to action buttons. You can change the text on the buttons and where they're linked to. You can even upload a PDF file. And the last section at the bottom of your music school website, you have a lead generation form. Now, keep track of all your leads coming in your Marty dashboard. You'll also get notified via your registered email account once you get a new lead from this form. If you have a custom domain, you can connect it by clicking on that yellow button at the bottom. Domains are really easy as well. If you don't have a custom domain, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button. You can actually purchase a custom domain via the Marty Sites platform as well. Really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your music school, and I'm really wishing you and your music school Marty success.